Guys, we're here na. Mesquite, Nevada. Motocross. So, boom! Ang laki. Grabe. Dito na kami sa Mesquite, Nevada. And it's 7 a.m. Grabe naman ang dirt dito. Tol, saan to ah? Ito yung sala rin dito. Bakit kami nandito? Ano yan?
Doon nagpa-practice si Ken Roxon.
Oh, Supercross time ngayon.
Yeah. Ito yung main track.
Ito yung main track. Grabe, no?
Tapos flat track doon.
Yan. Meron sila yung parang pang PW track, no? Ayun.
Ito yung PW sa middle.
Oo.
Tapos flat track doon sa dulo.
Flat track sa dulo. So dito si na Herbert every weekend, tol? Winter. And then nagre-rent kayo ng space doon.
Yeah, power spot.
Let's go, my man! Parang last week nasa Baras kami, tol, ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Eh ngayon,
Nasa
nandito
US
na kami. Thanks to this guy. So, let's go! Ito si Ethan. Moto family here. Pinirent namin ni Josh. Here we go. 3 gallons yan. Ang lamig! Let's go, Josh. Diyan sa gate, babayad ka. And nag-hotel kami, natulog na kami sa hotel. Pero grabe, 12 a.m. gising na kami. Iba yung oras namin, jet lag.
It's our first time here.
Okay.
We're excited.
Good, I'm glad. That must be fun.
You gotta wear it, she said. And my schedule sila rito, it's not like sa atin or sa SoCal na no schedule.
There's no schedule.
Ride at your own risk. And sometimes the pro are riding and they can actually land on you.
Is there pros in here?
Of course. But you know, there's a race today. Glendale Supercross. No, not. So lumabas na si Josh. Unang pasok niya sa racetrack. Eh, tingnan natin sa yung entrance. Galing, meron silang ganito. Kailangan makita natin. Tired. Filipino riders here.